Ito po yung indoor unit nung LG na yon na sobrang ingay. Hindi ho, hindi ho hangin ang maririnig nyo na lumalabas. Kundi may isang matining na mechanical noise ang maririnig nyo dito sa LG na ito. I'm 20 feet away from that damn aircon. Pero hanggang dito, dinig na dinig ko ang hugong. It's a mechanical sound, not the sound of air. I hear some strange noise with my LG, so I came out and checked the condensing unit here. I have two. One is an LG and one is Daikin. Because it's really a annoying drone sound. So this is the sound of LG. This is the sound of Daikin. It's the vibration. Oh, that's Daikin and this is LG. This is like the LG is almost 5 times as noisy as the Daikin outside unit.